Hey my friends, I am so pumped to share with you my 5 ALDI easy keto meals. You're gonna love them. Coming up next. Hey friends, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb. I am super pumped today to share with you my ALDI 5 easy keto meals to help you on the ketogenic lifestyle. Y'all, I love ALDI and I smushed it together with my love of the keto diet for these 5 meals for you to make for your family, to help you in your keto weight loss journey, or if you're simply doing the low carb diet. Before we dive in, make sure you sign up for my free ALDI printable shopping list, my gift to you. If you want to go shopping keto style, I have a whole ALDI list compiled just for you down below, and click the like button on your video while you're down there too. Let's dive in. 5 videos. Okay, number 1 is the ALDI beef brisket patties. These are great. I love them because you can simply take the frozen burger, hang on with my 4-year-old too much, and pop them on the grill. These are, per burger is 1 carb. However, be mindful of the ingredients. Does have maltodextrin and a little bit of canola at the end of the ingredients, which are creepy carbs that could potentially lead to weight loss stalls. Here's what, when I have the keto diet for OMAD, 1 meal a day, or I'm having a limited amount of food with fasting, like this is gonna be my only meal, I will have this. I am mindful though of the potential inflammatory ingredients that can potentially come with it. I do love putting blue cheese on this as well. It's a great ALDI keto meal, super, super simple. If you wanna just throw something while it's frozen on the grill, go for it. ALDI keto meal number 2. This is the easiest keto meal. Get sausage, make the sausage, get eggs, and put some fried eggs on top of the sausage. Done. And that literally is my easy keto meal. It's literally not that many carbs. It's very filling because of the high fat, moderate protein, low carb nature of it. And it's cheap. Like for your pocketbook, it's inexpensive. Sometimes I get our sausage from our meat CSA. I have a local monthly meat CSA I am a part of where I can get beef, where I can get pork at a higher quality than say like an ALDI quality, but that is a great source if you want to get their sausage. They do even have Old Bay seasoning sausages, which are so good too. ALDI easy keto meal number 3 is going to be 2 cups of spinach because of the high potassium, which we need on the keto diet, plus a whole can of tuna and some mayonnaise. I'm mindful that the mayonnaise does have, Duke's mayonnaise does have soybean oil in it, which can be inflammatory. The best types of mayonnaise, primal mayonnaise, chosen mayonnaise, make your own mayonnaise. But Duke's does not have added sugar where Hellmann's does. So at your ALDI, Aldi's have varying mayonnaise types, as y'all tell me, that they sometimes use, your ALDI does have Duke's and sometimes it doesn't. So I prefer to buy Duke's at ALDI because I like the taste. I like the taste. So that is your easy keto meal number 3, is having organic spinach, 2 cups of it with some tuna on top, with a little bit of olive oil and some apple cider vinegar. It's extremely filling because you chronically chew and chew and chew. And the mayonnaise and tuna make it the high fat, moderate protein component of the ketogenic diet. Easy keto meal number 4 from ALDI. Gosh, I love ALDI so much. Okay, get a whole chicken. They have whole organic chickens. Put it in your Instapot, make it, pull the chicken off. This whole process will take you under an hour and it will make many, many, many 9 meals for you out of it. I will link the video down below of how to specifically do this. It's so simple and so easy and very inexpensive too. Get your chicken, pull it off, mix it with some mayonnaise, some cream cheese, some hot sauce. Done. And that is your buffalo chicken. It is so extremely filling. Even your kids will like it. I know mine does. He absolutely loves it and is obsessed with having buffalo chicken. And it's a great keto meal that's super, super simple and lazy keto approved. Easy keto meal number 5 is the spin-off from that whole chicken. Once I'm done with my whole chicken in the Instapot making it, and you can make it easily not in the Instapot, I just choose to. You can make it even in the crock pot as well. Take the extra water that was from it, because in your Instapot you're using water, add some more water, and make keto chicken noodle soup. I do take the broth, the noodles from that, and add in there some zucchini to make it like lower carb type vegetables, maybe some radishes that I get from ALDI. But I will add in palmini noodles, which I have not seen at Aldi. I've had to order those at Amazon, but they do also have them at Walmart Keto. You can get them there, where they're essentially hearts of palm. The consistency tastes like noodles. So for chicken noodle soup, you can add the palmini noodles, or y'all, I don't even sometimes have the noodles. I'll have the broth from the whole chicken I cooked, and then simply just have the chicken from the whole chicken mixed in there, and then also some spices and some low carb vegetables. It's extremely filling, particularly in wintertime in the colder months. It gives good warm soup belly, and it makes for a very filling meal that I would highly encourage. To have if you're trying to do keto weight loss. My bonus Aldi keto meal number 6, even though I said only 5, number 6 is going to be deviled eggs. Simply get your eggs from Aldi. And they have 3 different types, like regular eggs, cage-free eggs, and organic and cage-free eggs. Y'all tell me to check for the humanely raised label on those. Our eggs rotate different vendors at our Aldi. It just kind of depends. So make sure that you get your eggs, and then you can make deviled eggs out of them. And for me, that's literally an easy, I'm having that for dinner tonight. That is going to be my keto dinner. Sometimes I'll have it leftovers in the piping bag for keto lunch the next day, but usually I eat those all in one foul swoop, and they're very simple to make. Deviled eggs are very, very easy, and you can add those, say for example, with your burgers. You could have deviled eggs on the side for delicious yumminess. So y'all, if you found this video helpful, make sure you click subscribe, make sure you click like, but also get my free Aldi printable down in the description link below. My gift to you, it's a full shopping list that also comes with a beginner keto meal plan as well, if you'd like to get that too. So check out some of my other videos in the playlist, Aldi related, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.